Breaking the run, mastering commas and coordinating conjunctions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into an important aspect of English grammar, run-on sentences. More importantly, we'll learn how to correct them using commas and coordinating conjunctions. So, grab your notebooks, sharpen your pencils, and let's begin. First off, what is a run-on sentence? Simply put, it's a sentence where two or more independent clauses, those are the parts of a sentence that could stand alone as separate sentences, are joined without proper punctuation or conjunctions. Here's an example. Incorrect. I love reading, it's my favorite hobby. In comes our heroes, commas and coordinating conjunctions. They are among the most effective tools in our grammar toolbox for correcting run-on sentences. A comma is a punctuation mark we use to indicate a pause in a sentence or to separate different elements. Coordinating conjunctions, on the other hand, are words that connect two equal parts of a sentence. In English, the coordinating conjunctions can be easily remembered using the acronym FANBOYS. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Now that we have our tools, let's see how we can use them to correct our run-on sentences. Here's our previous example. Incorrect. I love reading, it's my favorite hobby. Now, let's correct this run-on sentence using a comma and a coordinating conjunction. We'll use and from our fanboys list. Correct. I love reading, and it's my favorite hobby. See the difference? The sentence is now perfectly clear, and each part is properly separated. Let's try another example. Incorrect. My dog is cute, he is also very playful. We can correct this run-on using but from fanboys. Correct. My dog is cute, but he is also very playful. And that's a wrap. By simply using commas and coordinating conjunctions, you can turn a run-on sentence into a grammatically correct one. Remember, practice is key. So, try correcting some run-on sentences on your own using what you've learned today. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of English grammar, and happy writing.